What's up, guys? In this video, we're going to be talking about site links on Facebook and Instagram ads, whether you should use them or not. What do they do? Exactly how to execute this in your business, because I get a lot of questions about whether people should use site links or not. It's something that's going to come up every time you upload an image or a video. It's going to be one of the first things, and it's kind of a weird decision to make. So let me tell you, after the 700 plus businesses that I've run ads for, which ones it's good to do and which ones you really don't want to be using site links for. Before we get started, my name's Derek Videll. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. So site links, I can go in right here and I can turn them on, and it's the same place that you would turn on like a product carousel. So I love doing the product carousel because on your ad, you'll have your full ad. You can use up to a 4x5 image. And then below, you'll have the entire product carousel that people can swipe through. So let's say you're a clothing store. You'll see blue shirt, red shirt, black shirt, yellow shirt. You'll see all the individual products down below. And that's a great thing to do. The difference with site links is that these are not links to product pages. These are links to any other page that you would want to go to. So for a clothing company, these site links would be like jeans, t-shirts, jackets, and sunglasses. And for that reason, it can be a really good idea because sometimes that's a better way to help your customer in your market. It's a better way to narrow what they're looking for. So if you kind of imagine that you owned a physical storefront for your company and people came into your store and you were trying to help them find whatever they're looking for, would you say, yeah, are you looking for jeans or jacket? Like, would you start there, or would you just start showing products as kind of a good way to think about whether site links would be a good idea or not? The companies that I really love using site links on would be jewelry, clothing, furniture. I've got a furniture company I'm running ads for right now, and our site links are like living room furniture, bedroom furniture, office furniture. It's a great place to help the customer narrow in on the category they're looking for. And it also makes sense because they know what living room furniture is, or necklaces, bracelets, rings. Like, they already know what these product categories are. If you are selling something that is not nearly as well known for your product categories, like if 100% of people can't read your site link categories and know exactly what it's talking about, you should not use site links. And it's really, outside of the companies that I just said, it's very few that I would actually recommend doing it, because let's say that you're running to a coaching offer like I'm about to do, or I'm running ads for people that want me to run their ads for them, or who would like to do my professional coaching program. I've been kind of slow on it because everyone has been signing up for my program lately in January, which is great. But like, if I was going to launch ads for that, I would not use site links, because what would the site links be? It would be a site link for my homepage on my website, a site link for About Us page, a contact page, a testimonials page. I mean, the testimonials page is not a bad idea actually in that case, but usually giving people multiple links to click on is not a good idea. It usually leads them to clicking none of them. So if I wanted people to go through a dead set customer journey, hey, watch this video and go to the next page, then watch the longer video and read all the testimonials and stuff like that that's laid out in the order that I showed you, then I don't want customers to be concerned with choosing which path that they should walk. I want it to just be, there's only one possible link, go to the next step. There's only one possible next button or submit or whatever to go to the next step, and they're going to go one at a time, is a much better way to do it than giving people option fatigue. So I really would only recommend it for simple products out there, ones that people can simply see and know if they want or not, especially when the categories do all make sense. Otherwise, I would leave this off. This is most famously made by Google. Site links on Google is actually a great idea because it makes your ad way bigger than if you didn't use them. And in this case, it does make your ad bigger. However, for most of you, I'm going to recommend you do the product carousel anyways. So you're still having a much bigger ad as it is. If you're going to use site links though, you need to come down here and make sure you go to collection and turn on both show products and show site links. If you do it as the carousel section, that will actually turn your entire ad into a carousel. So it's not good. If you want the bar to just display below the ad, you need to set it up in the collection section. So that would be how to make the decision. If I didn't cover your specific situation, make sure you comment that below and I will help you to the best of my ability. If you're looking to launch Facebook ads in 2026, check out my recent videos. I just came out with updated walkthroughs going from point A to point Z for a leads campaign as well as a sales campaign. So whichever one you're trying to get, leads or sales, make sure you watch that. They're both about 40 minutes, so they're very thorough. And of course, you can book a free call with me below and talk to me personally about helping you run your ads completely done for you. Or if you would like to do 4 Zoom calls with me, and 30 days of unlimited text messaging is my done with you consulting program. By the end of it, you will be self-sufficient and able to run ads for your company yourself without needing an agency. And it's going to be a lot quicker than watching all of my YouTube videos. So book a free call with me below either way.